Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel, and today we are talking all about rectal suppositories, glutathione and vitamin rectal suppositories. Now if you're new to my channel, or if you're new to all these, you may be wondering what the heck are suppositories and how are they going to help me in my skin whitening journey, and I'm going to be explaining all that. So these glutathione rectal suppositories are from the company called Crystal Glow Skincare. I'll put their Instagram link on the screen so you can see it. So this is their Instagram account, and I highly suggest you go and follow them on Instagram, because anytime they are coming out with any new product, they first post it on their Instagram, and you can get to also communicate with them on the DMs or see more details on the products. So go and follow them on Instagram. So let's begin with the explanation of what are suppositories. Now basically suppositories are, like they say, they're rectal suppositories. They are supposed to be inserted into your rectum, or basically you're supposed to insert them 1 inch into your anus. So that is how they work. And you might be wondering, like, why the hell would I want to insert anything back there? So I know for some of you guys this might sound very strange, and considering that I'm African and I'm an African country, but let me tell you, there's a lot of research supporting suppositories as very effective in absorption. Now basically when you're taking suppositories, and by the way, there's some medicines which are even prescribed in hospitals that are supposed to be inserted back there. So this does not only apply to glutathione only. So basically when you are inserting suppositories into your rectum, you get 90%, guys, 90% absorption rate. Like, it absorbs a whole lot of the whatever you're taking. If it's glutathione, 90% of it will be absorbed into your system. Number two, it ensures very fast absorption. That means as soon as you insert this suppository, as soon as you insert this, it comes in like a tablet form. As soon as you insert this tablet and you lie down and it starts melting, it starts instantly, like immediately, it starts getting absorbed into your system and into your bloodstream. And also the walls of the rectum, the walls of your, should I say anus? Okay, the walls of the rectum, basically the clinical term is rectum. The walls of your rectum are highly permeable, which means it gives you a very high bioavailability. Okay, I know I'm missing too many terms, but basically what it means is that the walls of your rectum can easily allow the penetration of anything into your system. Like they're very, very permeable, basically. That is why suppositories are very, very good for you, especially the glutathione suppositories, because in this channel we are all about skin whitening, and our whole goal is to get skin whitening. And like I keep on saying, guys, the whole goal of taking any glutathione supplements is to get the glutathione into your bloodstream. That is the whole point. So when you are inserting them in the rectal canal, in the rectum, it ensures that it quickly gets into your bloodstream. Now there are several scientific research studies and several scientific articles that have been written in medical journals, in pharmaceutical journals. There's so many articles that have been written on the effectiveness of using suppositories, and I will link some of those journal articles down below in case any of you are interested and you wanna go ahead and do more research, which I always recommend. Do more research and get to know more about suppositories. So like I said, these particular suppositories are from Crystal Glow Skincare. Now Crystal Glow Skincare sent me these particular suppositories. So this video is in partnership or in collaboration with Crystal Glow Skincare, and I'm very happy to be collaborating with them on this video. Now Crystal Glow Skincare is a UK based company, and they have a whole bunch of skin lightening products on their website. Like basically I think their whole website, they are tailored to skin lightening, and they have very nice products. Let me just show you on their website and show you like what you're gonna get on their website. They have amazing skin lightening products, and they had told me they're coming out with the new product, because initially they only had the suppositories on their website. They only had the suppositories and the skin lightening powders on their website, but right now they have expanded. When I was talking to the marketing manager, and she was telling me they're bringing out new items and new products. I did not know they're gonna roll out a whole bunch of items. Like honestly, I was like shocked and amazed, and at the same time I was so happy, because I'm seeing new and revolutionary skin lightening products on their website. Like I'm so happy with the products they have on their website. And over here we have the homepage of their website, and let's see what they have here. If you click here, you see all the new products they have come out with, the lotions, the powders, the liposomal glutathione. They have a variety of products. Then when you click here, you can see they have their liposomal and sublingual glutathione, so go and check that out as well. And then if you go on and you click on the suppositories, you can see the beginners packet, the advanced, the intense. They have different varieties, so go and check that out as well. Then if you click here, you see they have their lotions. They have a body lotion, face cream for the skin lightening. They have a dark spot corrector, so go and check that out as well. Amazing products, so go check that out. Then of course, if you want to make your own skin lightening lotions, you can buy their powders. So now that you have seen everything they have on their site, and also go and check out more things they have. I think I didn't cover everything, but if you want to check out, if you want to buy anything from Crystal Glow Skincare, if you want to buy anything, use my discount code SHIKO15. My discount code will give you 15% of any product you buy. So just in case some of you guys complain, oh it's expensive, or this and that, no, you can go ahead and use my discount code and save yourself some money. Now anytime I'm working with any brand, let me just tell you guys, anytime I'm working with any brand, I always ask for a discount code. That brand may agree or refuse to give me a discount code, but rest assured, I always look out for you guys, and I always ask for a discount code, because this journey of skin lightening, if you're doing it the right way, using a safe skin lightening products, of course the money will add up. It's gonna cost you some money. So I always try my best to ask any company I'm working with on any collab, I always try to ask for a discount code. That way you guys can save yourself some money. So anything you see on the website, the suppositories and any of the new products they have on their site, you can easily buy them using my discount code, again SHIKO15. That way you get 15% discount off anything you buy. So today's video is basically kind of like an unboxing and telling you more about this brand, and just slowly introducing you into rectal suppositories. Now if you have watched my previous videos, you know I have never tried any rectal suppositories. It's my very first time, and so I'm very excited to see how they will work out for me. And first of all, let me say one of the things I like about this particular brand and this particular suppositories is that each capsule, one capsule contains 2,000 milligrams of glutathione powder. That is a lot. And for me, what I have right here is their starter pack, which has 20 capsules, and like I'm saying, each capsule has 2,000 milligrams of glutathione, which is I'm saying is a lot. So anyway, they recommend this is what is for the beginners or the starters like me. a person who has never ever used suppositories, which is very good because it gives you a chance to experiment and to see if you like them. And also, let me say, there's a lady who was using these particular suppositories from this particular brand, and that lady is in our skin lightening Facebook group, which I keep on saying, guys, if you have not joined our group, ooh, chick, you're missing out a lot. You're missing out on a whole deal. There's a lady who was posting her before and after pictures when she was using this particular brand and these particular suppositories. And let me tell you, that post has over 100 comments because we were all shocked by the results. We were all amazed. Her skin looks so good. Like, she moved, I think, like almost like 3 or 4 shades lighter. Like, her skin looks so damn good. So I suggest you go to our skin lightening Facebook group, and I think her pictures are still there, and see her before and after pictures, and you see what I'm talking about. Like, we were all shocked. We were all like, you know, wondering like how, like, her skin looks so good. And she was saying she was using it for, she used the suppositories for only 4 months, and let me tell you, her skin moved almost like 3 or 4 shades lighter. It looks so damn good. And she was saying she was using 4,000 milligrams, so that means she was using 2 of them, one in the morning and I think one in the evening, because, like I'm saying, each capsule has 2,000 milligrams, so she must have been using 2 of them in a day. And her skin looks so good. Like, I was amazed by the results. I was so amazed. And she even got us to know more about this brand. So if you want to see the before and after pictures, go to the Facebook group and check. And by the way, she said she was not using any creams. The only thing she was using is these suppositories. So they do work on their own. So I can only imagine the results you're gonna get if you combine their suppositories with their skin lightening creams, their face cream, their body cream, their toners, their cleansers. I can only imagine the kind of massive and nice results you're gonna get by using the whole package from Crystal Glow Skincare. And if you live in the UK, or you know generally about the UK, they are very strict. Like, they're very strict when it comes to supplements, medicines, topical products you're applying on your skin. Like, they are very strict. It's either you meet the quality standards set by the UK, or your products are out of the market. Like, the UK is very strict. That means you are getting high quality products when you're buying from this company. And so, like I said, guys, today's video is basically just an unboxing video, just to show you about tell you about the suppositories and to show you like what I got. The packet looks small, but let me tell you, it's very powerful. 2,000 milligrams of glutathione in one capsule is a lot. So, like I'm saying, guys, I'll be talking more about this. Oh, I'm cutting the wrong place. I'll be talking more about this brand and these suppositories later on in another video. On next week, when I begin taking them next week, I will come here and show you guys more and tell you guys more info about the suppositories and tell you the dosage I'm taking, the time I'm taking them, how I'm taking them, and also how to effectively take suppositories, because there's a way you can use them and mess up. Like, literally, this thing is so expensive, and it's a way you can use it and you won't see any results. So I'm going to be telling you guys how to use them effectively. Although, if you talk to the company support team, the customer care team, they will guide you and tell you what dosage you should take based on your own custom needs, on what you want. If you want skin lightening, but based on what you want, they will tell you what dosage to take, and they will also tell you how to take them. Although they also have a list of instructions here on how to use them and everything. And I was also talking to the company and asking them, like, for me, because I'm already used to glutathione, how I can best use them, and they're recommending I can take like 1 capsule one in a day, and then of course if I want to I can increase my dosage. But I think I'm gonna do that beginning next week. So I'm gonna show you how it looks like inside. I'm gonna see how they look like inside. Let me show you. Basically, they are, let me show you. I hope the camera can pick it up. They look like that. They come in this, yes, you can see. They come in this kind of packaging. The suppository is inside there. Now, of course, I can't open this yet because I'm not yet using it, because once it's opened, it's kind of like gonna get destroyed if I'm not using it instantly. But basically, this is what you're getting. Comes like this. So there are 20 of them inside, and of course, after using them, after you take whatever you're taking out, you need to keep them in the fridge. They might say here very clearly, keep refrigerated. So use them, and after using them, you put in the fridge and you lock it up like this, and you're good to go. So like I'm saying, guys, basically I will tell you all that info next week, and I will also be sharing with you some research studies from medical journals and pharmaceutical journals which support and which tell you the effectiveness of using suppositories. And guys, I don't want to make this video a very long video because basically it's just an unboxing, but I highly suggest you go to Crystal Glow Skincare UK and you check out the whole range of products they have come out with. Amazing, like I'm saying, guys, amazing products. So again, guys, I don't want to make this video a very long video. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns about suppositories, let me know in the comments down below. Although I always recommend, guys, that you do your own further research. Trust me, it seems like a lot of work, but trust me, doing your own research really goes a long way in helping you understand what is going on in your skin, what is going in your skin, and how it's working out for you. And that's all I have for you guys. And until next time, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, guys, if you haven't subscribed, first of all, subscribe before you leave. Subscribe, and if you want to see more videos like this, more videos on skin lightening, give this video a big thumbs up, like this video. And until next time, guys, see ya.